Little Quran reciters and translator Leah Amin and Ruhi Noor Hoor. Get ready to be amazed by the talents of our young Quran reciters. These kids have been working hard to master the recitations of the Quran, and we can't wait to share their skill with you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu budu rabbakumul ladzi khalaqakum walladzina min qablikum la'allakum tattaqun. Alladzi ja'ala lakumul arda firashan was-samaa'a binaa'an wa anzala minas samaa'i maa'an فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم فلا تجعلوه لله أندادا وأنتم تعلمون. I seek refuge in Allah from the accused, the shaitan. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. O people, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, so that you may be mindful. It is He who has made the earth a resting place for you, and the sky a roof, and sent down water from the above, where He brought forth fruits for your sustenance. Do not then set up rivals Allah when you know the truth.